Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use this small project is design here, and this is a looking perfect and guys, today learn here all process beautiful design learn here. And guys, this project very useful, and this is a very use and and so nice project, but a small project as design here. I use a CATIA software, and this is a looking perfect and all process today learn here, a step to a step learn here. And okay, this section is a multi section view, and use a this is a isometric view. And okay, this body is a design here, a looking perfect, and this very useful body, and this 3D model is very useful and a looking perfect. All process is a learn here. Okay guys, let's start here. At first draw a mechanical design and use a generative sheet metal design. And at first draw a new part and use a plane, XY plane, and this is a position sketch and sweep and reverse vertical. And this is a correct and at first draw a circle. Mention any dimension is this 200. Diameter is a 200 millimeter. And exit. At first click sheet metal parameters because all command is not activated, and at first click this sheet metal parameters, then other command is activated. Click, and this thickness is 1 millimeter is set here, and default bend radius is 4 millimeter. And this wall is click, and click this, and direction is downward. All plane is hide because this body is looking perfect. And use a shading with edge. This is a perfect. And select this face and position a sketch, sweep and reverse vertical. And use a offset command. This is a offset, and click anywhere in this body. And this is a minus 9 is correct. And this is a minus 10 is also better. And click exit, and click a surface stamp command is used here. And at first click this circle line, and direct this angle is a 90 degree. Height is a 100. And this is a perfect. This preview is showing here, and this first radius is 6 millimeter, and second radius is a 20 millimeter. 20 millimeter is more, but 14 millimeter is correct. This is a looking perfect, but this is a 12 millimeter is more better. And this is a height is 120 is perfect. Okay, all is looking so nice here. Okay, this is a perfect, but 110 is also better. Okay, okay. Looking so nice, all is perfect, but this is a one this is a 120 is better, and this is a 13 is correct. All is looking perfect. Okay, this is a looking perfect, and select a this is a shading with edge without smooth edge. This is a looking perfect, and use a teardrop command is used here, and teardrop command and sum. This is a 2 millimeter, and length is 2 millimeter, and radius is also 2 millimeter is perfect, and this is a upper line is select here. This, okay, this upper line is select here, and this is boundary. Okay, this is a perfect, okay. Okay, looking perfect, and use a shading with material, and material is used here, this metal and steel. Okay, okay, and this is a right click, and this property select here, and reflectivity is very high, and use a this use a yellow satin. Okay, this is a perfect. This body is looking perfect, and looking nice here. Okay, and this isometric view is this, and select this multi section view is used here, and back side is this is a back side. Okay, this is a this body is looking perfect, okay, this is a okay, and this body is also okay. This is a perfect body, and also this. Okay, all is looking perfect, okay, okay, guys, all process is learn here. Is this body small and very useful, this project design here, and all process step by step learn here, and I hope you will learn this command is very easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment, and get at first more and more new videos. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.